Hi there, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of travel cosmetic bags with the TOMILL makeup bag for women. This sleek and stylish bag is a game-changer for anyone on the go. This makeup bag is not your average travel companion. With a large capacity and innovative design, the TOMILL makeup bag keeps your beauty essentials organized and easily accessible. The poo inside lining makes it a breeze to clean, so you can maintain that pristine condition no matter where you go. Measuring in at 9.5*5.2*5.2 inches, this makeup bag is large enough for your 5 to 7 day travel needs or daily essentials. Say goodbye to frustrating searches for your favorite products. The 180-degree wide open design allows you to access everything with ease. Not only is this makeup bag functional, but it's also versatile. Use it as a cosmetic travel bag, a toiletry bag, a purse pouch, or a travel accessories bag. It's dirt-resistant and waterproof, so you can take it with you anywhere without worry. Looking for the perfect gift for a special someone? Look no further. The TOMILL makeup bag is a simple and elegant choice for birthdays, Christmas, graduations, anniversaries, or even Valentine's Day. Your loved one will thank you for this stylish and practical gift. And there you have it, the TOMILL makeup bag for women is your best wonder bag travel cosmetic bag on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with another exciting product review. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you soon!